Hi friends, welcome to Nursing MANTHRA. I hope all you are keeping well. Today I am here with an important video related to how to become a registered nurse in United States of America. What all are the steps we have to follow to become a registered nurse there? There are 10 steps to become a registered nurse in US. Step 1. Credential verification of your documents by cgfns. Step 2. Applying in state nursing board where you wish to work or wish to get registered. Step 3. Nclex-rn or PN exam application. Step 4. NCSBN exam, that means the Nclex-rn exam scheduling. Once you pass the exam, step 5. Get an employer attorney. Step 6. Pass the English proficiency language test, IELTS, TOEFL or OET. Step 7. Immigration process through USCIS, that means United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. Step 8. Obtaining a priority date. Step 9. Attend an interview for permanent residency immigration. Step 10. Fly to USA. These are the 10 steps.